how to change your name on RedNote app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open RedNote application in your mobile device. Once you open the RedNote app, you want to go ahead and log into your RedNote account. Now once you're logged into your account, simply go ahead and tap on the me icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you are inside the profile section, in order to change the name on RedNote, you want to go ahead and tap on the settings icon. Now from here, simply tap on account security. And then you want to go ahead and tap on mobile. Now go ahead and bind new mobile number and enter the verification code. Once you do that, tap on link, and once you have bind your phone number, head back to your profile section again and then tap on edit profile. Once you do so, simply tap on name, and when you do that, you'll then be able to change your name on RedNote app. So in conclusion, you simply want to go ahead and bind your phone number in this app in order to change your name on RedNote app. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.